For the assessment year 2020-21, the last date to file your income tax returns without penalty is December 31st. Here is how to file your returns. Visit the Income Tax Department website on incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. Log in by entering your user ID, password, date of birth and CAPTCHA code. Go to the e-file tab and click on the income tax return link. Select the correct taxpayer category and fill your form either online if it is ITR1 or download it for an offline option. Fill all the information while saving it until you reach the verification page. Preview and submit your return. Verify your return within 120 days of having filed it online. There are 3 broad ways to do it. Through Aadhaar OTP, by generating electronic verification code through your net banking, your bank account number or DMAT account number. Send the signed copy physically to IT Department's Central Processing Center, Bangalore. But how to revise an ITR in case you discover a mistake days after filing the return? Here's how. Anyone can refile an ITR if there has been a mistake or omission in the original tax return under Section 139(5) of the Income Tax Act 1961. For example, failure to claim a deduction for a policy premium paid. A revised income tax return can be filed before the end of the assessment year or before the completion of the assessment, whichever is earlier, for no extra charges. A penalty is levied only if the original ITR is filed after the due date and not on refiling a revised return. The process is similar to filling an original return. That is, it will be filled either manually or electronically depending on how it was filed the first time. A revised return replaces any previously filed ITR. The process can be repeated an unlimited number of times within the approved time frame. There are 2 additional steps. Do not forget to tick on the revised return box, and the acknowledgement number of your original or previous return in the form also needs to be filled while revising your return. What are the common mistakes to avoid? The taxpayer needs to choose the correct ITR form for his or her income class. Apart from Form 16, do not forget to declare even your smallest investments. To avoid getting a tax notice, cross-check the tax deducted from your income with the TDS reflecting in Form 26AS. If there is a mismatch, get it rectified before filing your return. Previously, taxpayers had to pay around Rs 5,000 to 10,000 in penalty if the return is filed after the due date. If the total income is below Rs 5 lakh, delay penalty is Rs 1,000.